What's going on, everyone? We are in Cádiz, Spain. We're in the downtownish area. Yeah, they got a McDonald's there. They do have that here in Spain. Sure, over there. Looks like they got their summer camp group going. Excuse me? Yeah, so it's currently June 2nd. Yeah, it's a bit of an overcast day for sure. Did sprinkle a little bit earlier. That's one of the historical buildings, it looks like. I don't remember what that one was. Or, not that I don't remember, I don't necessarily know. I'll have to look that up. Not too sure if you can go inside it. Or if you gotta make a reservation to do that. Yeah, it's currently about 3:43 p.m. right now, local time. Yeah, it's about low 70s, high 60s right now. So it's not too bad, not too hot, not too cold. So kind of in that sweet spot. you got a little stuffed animal there. Yeah, they don't have any shame just displaying something like that through the window. Definitely something I'm not used to.
I think we were all very malleable. I went, oh, okay then. But I tried it a second time. I've done that a few times, but tried it now and kind of a bit distant.
Excuse me? Where are we on this map here? It's all in Spanish. No, there's a "You Are Here" sign. Well, just keep walking. Lots of places to shop here for those of you who are into that kind of thing.
Mexican. I got report on that one. Second time seeing
Let's go check out this candy store here, see what they got. Hola. So I just grab one of these bags and I weigh it. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, so I just went into this candy store here and I grabbed a bunch of candy and I ended up getting a bill of $40 or 40 euros. Probably a little bit more in USD. Like, this is probably the most I've ever spent on candy. Alright, well, this is pretty cool right here. So apparently you can order food from this vending machine. Now, if any of you guys are familiar with the YouTube series Jet Lag, they filmed, I forget if it was like in Germany or something. They had a pizza vending machine. So yeah, here are all the regular vending machines, but they got a food vending machine. That's pretty interesting. I wonder how this works. I mean, I'm not gonna necessarily order anything, but yeah, just thought I'd show you guys this.